everything which you need is given by your channel Level Up for you. So, I'm actually back with some more unbelievable and amazing facts. So, stay tuned to the video till end as you always do, and these crazy facts will give value to your each minute because the channel Level Up for you understands the value of its audience time by giving good videos. At last, don't forget to subscribe my channel for proper updates and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. So these lenses can zoom in and zoom out in just blinking of eye. It is purely controlled by the eye's movement. Think of a future when there will be no need of zoom of binoculars or cameras to see the faraway flock of birds. These lenses don't work on your sight, but thanks to the electricity produced by the movement. So if anybody can't see but can blink, then it can do its work. This amazing scientific invention was invented by Joy Ford in University of California, San Diego in US. Many people know that scorpions can give a very painful sting, but not much about these special creatures. So, scorpions are champions of survival and they can survive about a full year without food. They can live inside water for about 48 hours, though they are habitual of living in harsh and dry environment. They glow in dark because their skin absorbs ultraviolet light which reflects as visible light. Most scorpions can hold their breath for about 6 days, but a species of scorpion which is called northern pseudoscorpion, which is found in Canada near the Arctic Circle, can hold its breath for about 17 days. So next fact is going to become very interesting. So if I ask you what is the speed of time, so many people will have answer in the mind. The speed of time is equal to the speed of clock. Check out this amazing fact. In the year 1910, the scientist Vladimir Ignatovatsky found that if we travel in speed of light, time would stop. So now you'll be thinking, how can I know what is the speed of time? So the two rules of relativity, one of them is that if two objects travel in same speed, it will look like other object has stopped. So I will understand you in an easier manner. So this is light, this is time. As the scientist told that if we travel in speed of light, time would stop. And if we apply the first rule here, then the light and time are of same speed. So the speed of time is 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meters per second. So you can see an apple in the screen. A very strange apple, right? This apple is black diamond apple. This apple belongs to the family of Haunia. Now you'll be thinking, does fruit also have families? No. Fruit don't have families, but they are of same species. So, as the name suggests, they are purple in color and have white pulp inside. This strange color comes from the high altitude of the region where they are found. If you want to buy these apples, one black diamond apple can cost 50 yuans, which will be almost 531 rupees in Indian money. As this apple costs very much, is it the most expensive apple? No. The Sakai Ichi is the most expensive apple, and do you know one more thing? If you translate this apple's name in English, it means world's number one. They are very huge and can weigh up to 2 pounds. If you want to buy one apple, it costs about $21. So, I think everybody is eager to know what is the most expensive fruit in the world. The Lost Gardens of Heligan pineapple is the most expensive fruit in the world, and it can cost up to $15,000, which is now 11,40,000 rupees. I hope you enjoyed this session. I hope I have solved your every query or question which is in your mind, and if not, you can ask me in the comment box. From the expectation that this session went very well, I would like to end the video. So, like the video, subscribe my channel for proper updates, press the bell icon. So, and if you have any suggestion, feel free to write it in the comment box. So, it's all for today. Until then, goodbye.